Hello, dear everyone, or nobody. So, anyone who joined my stream, hello, hello, hello. Yes, yesterday, last stream, we finished some investigations about which free LLM could be used. We didn't done multi-hours investigation. We does like second series, so for another hour, and finding out that Copilot is pretty good. Also, ChatGPT 4 and Llama both okay. ChatGPT slightly better, but it's a problem to use ChatGPT for all. And we found something like where's my full screen to do? Yeah, we found something like that model. Yeah, ChatBot Arena, where we basically could for free, okay, where we could go to the models and side by side and choose ChatGPT for latest. I'm also a good GPT-2 chatbot, maybe some llama or whatever. Yeah, the only problem here that it's limited to about 100 lines. So about 17 minutes of your transcript of your video, which is probably should be enough to build some shorts from, unless you want to build shorts from different part of your 1 hour transcript or of your 10 hours transcript, which probably, you know. Also Copilot from Microsoft.com, suddenly it can produce a transcript for our short, following our instructions, like to include source time frames from our transcript. So yeah, both are good. Now maybe I need to finalize that work because I have several interesting ideas. Interesting ideas are in several fields. First of all, Blender. It's more like hobby. It's not much about, developer. It's more like about the artist. But maybe my developer mind also help me something with Blender. We need to finish glasses. Oh, by the way, I have new cool glasses. So they blocking UV light, blue light, how they told from computer. So yeah, the only problem that you could see maybe my monitor reflection, and I could see in very beautiful orange light. It's very funny. It's like it become like life become different. It's colored, and I try to work in them, and basically normally I work in dark theme, and it's not so good for dark theme. It's possible to read, etc., and yeah, you feel like your eyes slightly relaxing. But for white theme, like light, yeah, theme, it's even better, much better. So it's not possible to do any color corrections in those, of course. But if you work with text or reading something, it's pretty good. Maybe not for watching videos or playing some games, but for working with text or with code, maybe worth it. Also, yes, I already look at that, and all of those, they like insert the glass into that glasses, and it's not so easy to take out. So I'm just afraid that if I'll try to remove the glass just to make a scan copy of those glasses, maybe I couldn't insert glass back, not into this or even into the printed one. Of course I can cut here or like here, or maybe from the top. Print on some resin which quite flexible, but you know it's still. Oh, what I see a lot of drops. Again my stream not working well. Let me see. Okay, my internet connection is proper. I mean proper Wi-Fi. But strangely sometimes I see the speed, it's dropping up to 0 kilobits per second, and my drop frames grow fast. Yeah, so I believe it's not so easy to watch me, correct? Let me see my stream on my phone. And it shows it's live. But at the same time it says notify me 0 kilobits. Oh, now it's good. Then back to 0. Interesting. Oh, yeah, I see the stream slightly behind. I'm still in the glasses. Okay, I just taken them off. So it's a large buffer. If by chance someone want to use live chat, please understand that I will see you only maybe in 5 minutes. Oh no, maybe, you know, maybe it's not so bad. Now it's kinda restored. Let me reset my statistics and let's see. Maybe it was something, you know. Okay, so I have some bright ideas. As I said, it's connected with Blender, of course, with generation of some objects which then could be printed. By the way, I tried some resin. Yeah, it's not so good to show you, but yeah, it's like funny flower pot, and yeah, it's showing some fingers, like a way to say I don't want to interact with somebody, but it's smiling, and it's in mood of my one of my kids, so I decided to print it for him, so he can, if he in a bad mood, at least he can smile. Yeah. By the way, it's how you can use your 3D printer if you have one. Okay. So what we could do? We could try to create some video about YouTube DLP. So let's try maybe and try to create. I have OBS Studio running. I can probably stop recording. Yes. And we could try to do it in live. So, you know, the main idea how to download something from YouTube, just to be able to, you know, receive like even some audio file like MP3, we need to download it first. Downloading from YouTube, actually, it's not a simple idea, because it will try to save you like that one. Is it advertised? No, that one. Best free YouTube downloader, that one. Some a lot of millions. Some, yeah, I believe we saw that. How to download. So, and if I'm not robot. I don't want Come on, no. Hey, I don't like that website, YouTube video downloader. And you see, it's like if you click free download, it will return you to somewhere, and it will be some exe file, which is not. Oh, actually, that is nice. Let's find one of my stream. Maybe let's find some not very long. Let's try Pro YouTube downloader. Any YouTube MOU share. Okay, and it says when we go to download, it's redirect us. Come on. Block. No, I don't want. No, 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 no. No, no. Ah. Oh, maybe it was some. I need to set up some ad remover here because I don't have in that version of browser. So audio, video, download in desktop. You see, anyway, it's asked us to download something executable. I don't like executables from some sources because then it will. Oh, maybe you don't know. Maybe you download executables from over the internet all the time, but I don't believe them unless I know very like for sure that some downloadable is good and I could verify it with my antivirus, etc. But even if it's good now, it could have possibility to update or do like automatic updates without even you knowing, and then the bright YouTube downloader will update to some next version, and oh, you will be very surprised what it could do. So please, no. How to download? Let's see. PC Mac is actually very good journal in past and probably now. For your own personal offline use, maybe I'm okay. Okay, how to download YouTube videos. Okay, let's close this, let's dismiss this. You see, it's the same. It says that some tools full of extras. Yeah, so something got flagged, but some's not flagged. And yeah, so they could do everything. YouTube Premium downloads. Okay, let's imagine we don't have it. And it maybe will not help when you need to download your stream right after it's finished to do processing. Yes, yeah, it doesn't help, you see. Desktop software, third party. Okay, Matroshka, and favorite to section, but all recent attempts have failed. Okay, 4K video downloader. Okay, it's free or paid, but again, it's exe file. It's something you need to install. Basically, that thing is also exe file. But that exe file you can build yourself from open source code. It's slightly different thing. Believe me, it's slightly different thing. Okay. another software which costs something, free with limited use or whatever. Flix grep free Windows, and may overlap features, for example. Okay, some problems with that. Need any? We can always trust them. Okay. Okay. Chrome Web Store. Okay, not very good. YouTube video downloader. Free Brave, Chrome, Firefox, Opera. Looks like something good. Okay. Mobile video downloads not as good, and using Python. Yeah. Yeah, you see, they also know about that YouTube DLP. And you don't need Python to execute it. You can download executables. I mean, already compiled. Oh, I'm sorry. Continue the website. Okay. So. No, you don't need to install Visual Studio Code. No. Okay, guys. They... Okay, now it's not that complex. Now it's not that complex at all, believe me. It's just executable. Okay, but it's article from not this year, and it's pretty old one. Let's see what else we have here. Install now, download, how to download online. Let's see. April 12, 2012. No. Free online. Free YouTube converter. That thing I remember. It's still going to redirect us to some bad sites. Okay, let's try to post our video. SS Vid. Okay. MP4 auto quality. Okay. Let's download that one. Let's convert. The Tale of Ryaba. Okay, let it take wait. And what's here? MP3 or some files. Let's see some files actually. MP4 format. Maybe it's not so bad. So let's see. Download. Yeah, looks like it's downloading what we need. And it's the article we have viewed. Once again, That article updated recently. Nice. They haven't updated YouTube DLP section, but still. Please wait. It's being prepared. Okay, we are waiting. Downloading audio. Okay, let's see what we have. Let me just remove the okay. Actually looks good. So let's add that website. How to download. We can use free websites like this one, and let's check on this one. Download now. It should be faster because it's already detailed the processing, correct? So let's see if it will download. It's mostly the same size, so should be good. Okay. So let's see. So looks like, yeah, we could use, so at least we found several. We can use free websites like those. We'll be using YouTube DLP, using so it will be not normal text but heading 2. It would be not normal text but heading 2, and that would be heading 1. Okay. Okay. Where to take, let's say it's normal text. It's 1. Okay, looks good. Okay, looks good. So now let's check that website. It's downloaded. Let's open that file. Yeah, it has some sound. Okay, so okay, that is working. So what we'll do next, we'll go to our ChatGPT free version. It's free version because we log it in as romantic developer. It says upgrade. So interesting. It says explore GPT. Website generator. Video scenario. short video creation. You see, it's a really interesting thing. 1K, 10K, 101. Let's try that thing. Short video creation. Message. I need to make my screen slightly. Interesting. Where is my notepad? No. So let me find that. No. So let me find it's txt. Where is our... Oh, we need to find all the files. Give me a second. It was stream number 31. 30. That's stream 334. One. Okay. Let's just try and send all of this. Probably it will not fit, yes. So we just sent some short video creation and we send the whole our transcript. Yes. I would like you to select some interesting topic. Most and create short video scenario based on it. Preferably using exact time codes from the transcript. Let's see how different prompts working with it. Small talks. How are you? Two actors, one male, one female. Okay, it's interesting that they storyboard script. Close up. Interesting, they even generate sketches. Cool. Actually, it's pretty good prompt. So they combine in one. Yeah, they try to get some of our text from that, but at the same time you see it's generate completely new shorts. Our idea wasn't like that. Our idea was create shorts from video just directly, but it's even shows some sketches. And for sketches, if you see like here, it has some, let's say, it has some script to generate sketch about show a streamer in a cozy room sitting in the front of computer and camera, greeting viewers. The second, so basically all that things which we looked here in the table, mostly all of those, it's positioned into the sketches, and it's said please display that in the sketches, and that would be the scenes. Yeah, so nice. Short video creation. Yeah, we can work with that. Now let's ask it to create short idea, not short, video idea. We don't need short. Yes. Hello, I have a video idea for topic how to download video from YouTube. Here is my notes. Let's at least try. So I'm just what I had, I just copy it here, and it's lost all the Can you please help me create a video scenario, detailed video scenario, user full to create such video? Yes, I am going to use my OBS to write video screen recordings and Adobe Premiere to compose video. Please provide the recommendation for successful video creation. Make some recommendation to make it engaging and interesting. It will be video for YouTube. So let's try. We provided very simple instructions. So let's see how it will work. Creating engaging can be broken down into several key stages. So let's see. Video scenario outline. Introduction. It mentioned that you'll convert multiple downloading, post free online tools and more advanced methods with YouTube DLP. Click or use the final results, show and download video on your desktop. Engagement. Tip. Ask viewers to like and subscribe. or mentions that you'll be covering other related topics in future video. Okay, method 1. Briefly mentions the convenience of online downloader for quick video downloads without any software installation. Introduce the website. Explains the basic copy, visual screen recording if you're navigating to and downloading, repeat process. Use versus potential ads. Method 2. Using YouTube DLP. Advanced users. Introduce open source for downloading. Mention where to find and how. Walks through installation process. Visual screen recording of downloading YouTube DLP from GitHub and setting it up. Okay. Use clear transition between section to maintain viewer engagement and text overlay. Okay, engagement. Keep the pacing brisk to avoid losing viewer, especially during technical pacing brisk. Include call to action in the beginning and end. Audio and voiceover ensure voice clear and well placed. Okay. Easy with advanced. So basically, yeah, it's great, not so detailed, but we don't need the detailed for shorts, but a pretty interesting scenario. What we will do, we create new document and let's call it scenario for video download YouTube video locally. Let's just insert it as is here. Okay, let's go in details. Hi, for the section, can you help with text mentioning that any downloadable software could be risky or could become risky in future after update, and most safe ways is online website and open source utility. So what we just asking provide us better text. So I will take some ideas. I'm going to show you how to download YouTube videos using two different methods. One that's quick and easy with free online tools, and another that's a bit more advanced using the powerful open source utility. While downloading software can be convenient, it does come with some risks. Software can become risky if it's updated with unwanted features or vulnerabilities, or if it comes from untrusted source. That's why I'm focusing on two safest methods. So when you're looking to simplify, grab your favorite video or want more control over your downloads, you got it covered. Let's get started. Nice. So I see that it's already 40 minutes of our stream. Time fly really fast. I really, we just looked into something and time flies. Okay, so for today, I believe I will end on this. And for tomorrow, basically I'll create that video. Maybe I will give some I'm thinking about providing some small advertising to some of my videos, maybe to this one and to one of my stream, short one, some of the short one, and see what will find viewers. I will provide a very little amount for both and see. Yeah, I understand that video about how to download video. It's wide topic, but I don't want to stuck in with that topics anymore. Yeah, it would be cool if I can find some other ideas and topics. Okay, so as usual, I wish you comfort for your soul and Germany of your inside. I mean, to your mind and to everything around you. So you look around you and understand that maybe it's not as clean or as organized or as well working, and it's about everything, about your physical environment or relationship with someone. It could be not as perfect as you wish, but if you will look from very big distance in physically and in time and in your age or your wisdom, etc., just try to see how even those imperfect words, how it's actually full of Germany. Yeah, so I really want to look at everything with that type of Germany. I couldn't, but at least I know that it exists and I try sometimes. I wish I need to try more. And I wish it to you because it's what I'm doing myself and it's what actually encouraged me. So try to feel that Germany everywhere, in your environment, in your heart, in your relationship, and try to feel coziness. It's something you can feel and try to spread it around you. And hopefully things will get better soon, or at least you understand that they're not as bad as you think. Or maybe if everything is fine, let's keep it that way. Okay, see you tomorrow as usual in my stream number 37 from my 100